Rahmanir, Assalamualaikum for HK1 Cargo Truck, Japan Surplus, white, Isuzu NPR. Nearly arrived. Side view of the unit. 5 holes. Never been used in Philippines. Nice chassis. High deck also. We'll show you the other side of the unit. This is the other side. Nice unit, Japan Surplus, buyer first owner. Same system, air cleaner. Six holes. Inside view. Overview of the unit. Isuzu 4H K1 Japan Surplus. If you like this video, kindly contact with us. Available for recon. Engine in the semi-electronics. Nice cabin, no damage, no rusty. And if you like this video, kindly contact with us. Thank you very much for watching this video, and take care. God bless you, and bye bye. Love you all. If you have any question, kindly text or call me. Thank you.